Hello guys, this is Simon from ALIENTECH. This is the remote, and this is the older version ALIENTECH bracket. Then we can plug them in like this. Okay. But now we have a new product. Because some of my friends told me that they bought the new EVO 2 and its controller, well, its remote controller is quite different from that of the DJI. As you can see here, the difference, the distance between the two antennas are different. And here it is 72 millimeters long, but with the DJI's remote it is 80 millimeters long. So in this case, we won't be able to plug them in. They are not compatible. Because here it is 80 millimeters long. But now we've got a new product, and it is adjustable. As you can see here, it can be adjusted to the left or to the right. So it can be compatible with the DJI's remote. And at the same time, it is also compatible with the EVO 2 remote. So as you can see here, and now we've got a new feature. We can lock it by revolving it, and now it's fixed. It's fixed like this. Isn't cool? Now I'm gonna teach you how to install it. We have one that hasn't been modified, so I'm gonna teach you with this one. So first of all, we need to dismantle it, and we've got the cables, the feeder cables. So 2 cables, 2 nuts, and the new holder, the longer hole. So I'm gonna zoom in. Now let's get started. So we're gonna need a screwer, a knife, so we need to dismantle it first. And this one. We're going to use the knife to prise it open. Then we're going to use the screwer. As you can see here, there are 3 screws that we can undo. Once we open it, so we can see there are 2 little things, and we can take them out. Okay. So as you can see, the 2 holders are different. This is the new version with a longer hole, and the old version has a round hole. So we can put it back. And what we're gonna do is first to put the 2 little things in. So another one. It's very easy. Okay, so it's fixed. And then another one to apply some pressure. You can hear the clock. Then the screws. Okay, the third one. Okay, cool. The last piece. Next, the cables. So this is the new version, and this is the older version. The new version is a little bit longer than the older version. So as you can see, there's a hole. And we can just put it like this. And the little piece. Okay. So another side, we're going to do the same. Okay, so that's it. So with the EVO remote, we can just adjust a little bit and plug them in, then lock it. That's it.